Chem is try time. Okay, so what we're going to do, excuse me. Okay, so these are our values. That's 20 and that's 55. Okay, so we're going to use 100 milliliter, the beaker thing. What is it called? Just a beaker?
Yes.
You got one?
Beaker. 100?
Back there.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, so we're going to use that. We're going to fill 20 milliliters in that, and we're going to use the acid. We're going to use 20 milliliters of that and fill the rest up with water, measure the pH of that one. Then we're going to do the same thing with 55 milliliter one, and we're going to measure the pH of that one. So, really, pretty easy.
I have the thing.
So, now that I have the thing, I'm going to go back there and do it.
Wait, do you want to go put stuff on those?
No.
Okay, I know. Hi. Becca, don't be rude. Say hi.
hi.
Oh, Kirk, you're so cute. Ryan. Ryan, say hi to the camera.
No, where did you...
Hi.
You take it off. You take it off.
Huh?
You take it off.
You do?
Yeah.
How do you take it off?
I don't know. Ask Andrew. He took it off.
What, this thing? Oh, it just pulled.
Andrew is getting the solution.
Yep. Patiently waiting.
You almost done?
Yeah.
No. If I dance with them, I'm sorry. No, just like dance. Excuse you, you have a solution. Rude.
We have the 20 milliliters. Okay, so now what we're going to proceed to do is, with our handy dandy distilled water, fill this bad boy up to the line. Okay, so since this is 100 milliliter, oh, it's volumetric, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So it's 100 milliliters, okay? We're going to need 80 milliliters of water. But
He's so intelligent.
I should probably measure it instead of anyway. Don't use these to measure.
Oh.
Trying to embarrass me out in the lab?
Yeah, Ron.
Do you have a key?
Wait, Anna, hold on.
I got it.
It's on right over there.
Try it. Ms. Ferris thinks she's funny trying to humiliate me in front of my people.
Sorry, guys.
She had a microwave bread.
She said.
She got a microwave bread.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
You were literally 30 milliliters away.
I thought it was an 80 milliliters. I don't know what it is.
It's
Okay, so then we'll proceed to pour this in here.
What do I need to fill up with? Distilled water?
I don't know how much I put in there.
40 milliliters water?
Don't be like Andy.
Take your time, I mean, it's just a keyboard.
There's an attitude.
You spilled distilled water on yourself when somebody was there. How much of that do you think we lost? Nope, gotta redo it.
No, just
I gotta redo it.
Andrew. You literally
80 milliliters.
You literally have to
80
fill up the
milliliters.
line. You have to fill up the line. It's not a big deal.
See this? It's not me. Then I proceed to fill.
He said we had to do
Huh, meniscus right at the line. Okay, so now we got that. I don't know what we do.
So pour about
Okay, so-
30 milliliters of this solution into a
Previous step, I got the second. These remaining 40 milliliters. Okay, use about 40 milliliters of distilled water in a 100 milliliter beaker to rinse the pH sample, which is that thing. So, rinse. Okay. You pour about 30 milliliters of your solution into a clean 100 milliliter beaker. This isn't. Okay. Repeat. Pour about 30 milliliters solution into a clean 100 milliliter beaker. Repeat the previous step by rinsing with a second thermometer. So record this. It's not collecting anything.
record it?
Just record the number. You need people.
Here.
Just write it on the side.
76.
So just write 1, then 2.76. Okay.
Oh, it's right here.
This is.
Alright, so
Repeat the previous step by rinsing with the second thermometer pressure solution.
repeat previous step.
This is the second rinse.
Wait, I don't record.
2.76. And these remaining 40 minutes determine the pH. Swirl the solution vigorously. Give it a lid. We have to stir vigorously. Vigorously. Okay, now we need. I guess we can do already now. Gonna rinse with distilled water first. There we go.
You're so smart, Andy.
Pop this. I'm too good actually, because knowing this can't be measured. I think exactly 140. So the last ones were exactly 30. This is the last one. 2.78. Okay. Repeat the procedure for 6 seconds. So start rinsing. over distilled water. So just rinse all this out.
Oh, man. Oh,
How long do you laugh? Okay, then the second run calls for 55 milliliters, of which I've obtained.
Forgot the thing.
He forgot the volumetric.
now. So we need, we need 35 milliliters of
It's
the
got the
acid,
thing.
and then 65. I need water.
That?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Right. After this,
This is
you guys
good.
take it out to the skill session. You are use that photo.
Good one.
Nice. Oh,
Immature. Okay. She's immature.
ow.
Bon, what's the stuff in a little bottle that goes on the?
Just a storage solution. It's a buffer.
Just a way to store it.
Okay. Like, I need to pull off.
Like all the way full?
Like 100 milliliters.
Full?
100 milliliters. Jesus, that was our first one.
Oh, I just did. Oh, I don't know how to use that. I need this one. For chemistry.
Okay, and this is the first dip.
Wait. Yeah,
2.59.
right?
5.8. This smells good. 5 cents. Really? Sounds good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
No, I just looked for that.
That was terrible.
I'll put that in the
Yeah, we can get one.
Yeah, I thought you said it'd
They must like you.
be
vigorously.
lucky it'd be next week.
I figure maybe 2 days.
Motion.
You got it for you, right?
Yep.
And see,
Yeah.
I know that it's for you.
Loop scoop. Yeah, it is. Hey, Mr. Brown, how are these values? Are we using the average of them?
Yeah.
No, you should have two different ones.
Shouldn't we have three? Because it says to do 30, 30, then 40.
That's 1.77.
That's just to get your final.
Or would it be 2.9?
And that's the final one?
The one's out.
30, 30.
Because it says use 30, part of 30 of it.
Like, where's your paper? Like, you do 30, 30, and then you put 40, your 40 milliliters of that solution. That's when you put here.
Because it says use about 30 is barely previous step into the 30 milliliters portion.
Okay, so this is off.
Because I ran the 40 portion. That's starting to bigger. So.
The original concentration, which is this.
All you want is a final.
So basically, just our awesome.
Right, of just one solution, right?
Yeah.
And you have to do it twice.
Yeah, we did our.
Yes. So you get the whole solution one time, so you got a pH for your first one, right?
Yeah.
You're getting a pH for your second one, right?
It is that.
Okay. Okay. You're good.
Wait, why'd you add that?
Water.
I didn't.
What's that on the
That's the final one.
No, that's what's rinsing out with water.
No, it wasn't.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I rinsed it with water. That's how it goes.
Did I say,
Was
Merlin?
this?
This was the second thing we did. That was the third part of the second one.
Then what's one?
That's the first trial, the first 30.
Oh, I was thinking this is part of the number.
No.
Okay. We just need these numbers. Oh wait, 3. I keep thinking I'm reading it as 3.254.
No.
Okay, so just circle the numbers. Those throw me off.
Hey, should I wash it with soap and water now or?
Yes. We'll start doing that. We'll do calculations. There we go. Okay, I'm not confused anymore. We're good. Give me a heart attack there. Okay, basically, long story short, what you got to do is this here sensor. You had to get your solution, get about 30 milliliters of your solution, 40 milliliters of your solution, which is 20 milliliters of the acid and 80 of the water. Throw it together, find the pH of that one, then do the same thing with the other one, which is 55 milliliters, and 45 milliliters of water, and throw it with that one, thus giving you your pH values. Then you can calculate it from there.